All right, we're at this machine room here. All right, do the honors. Dover replaced the governor. The selector is sadly all covered up. This is an S. Heller branded motor. Let me see. Yeah, S. Heller elevator branded motor. Do you want to send it up, bring it up to 3?
Third floor.
This thing's slow. I feel like it's going past 3.
It was like, we took it up to 9.
Oh, I thought it was at 1.
No. We took it to 9.
This area is all covered. Can't see that, but look. S. Heller. All right. Do me a favor, bring it back to 1 now. Now I think it's time we see the Dover. First, Model P. Look at those little switches. Here we have the good old Dover composite. Otis, that's an Otis parts cabinet. Look at how the wires just slide along like that. That's funny.
Yeah, it's a little post.
What is this thing? CVs. Even more relays here. Now it's leaving. Oh, look, these are your call relays right here. Do you want to get the broomstick, call it back up? Get like something small. You want to hold the light? Let's get a piece of paper. Something non-conducive. How about...
These are the ones that the relay, the coil is kind of back against the plate. You don't just poke the top. Like, see these guys here?
Oh, yeah.
They move like, see how they move like that?
I see. So what do you, oh, you hit this little thing.
Yeah, you pull it back. You actually have to pull the relay out. That's how they work.
Oh, yikes.
No, it's not one to do that with.
Well, do you want to go run it a little bit and bring it back down and back up? What are these little things? These are interesting. These are the back of something. 45 volt DC on those. Wonder what they are. Oh, look at that. Let's see this generator start up. Look at that. That is so bizarre. Computermatic is such a wacky system. It's like a more newer version of the UCL. Let's watch this spool up. He's getting in, now he's calling it back down. Look at that. Wacky. And look, there's stuff on the top too. Jeez, they really use all of this. There's the ratio indicator. Look, those are the limit switches at the top. Oh, that is so weird. Literally the metal frame just hits it. That's just so wacky. Dover did some weird designs, man. Now these will actually shift a little bit too. You see how they move side to side to sort of follow where the rope is spooling? You can see them moving a little. Anyway, there's the big wheel. And you can see the selector cables. They got quite a setup up here. They're routed along the ceiling. Dover. '68 214 machine. And one more time. Let's see this run really quick. I believe it's on call to 2. We have some janitorial work going on. Don't mind that. Anyway, that will be it.